In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your videos in Canva. If you're looking to elevate the branding of your video content, this step-by-step guide will show you how to seamlessly include your logo, ensuring your brand is consistently visible. Let's dive right in. First, launch Canva and navigate to your project where you'd like to add the logo. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Uploads. This is your gateway to bringing in custom images from your computer, which is exactly what we need. So go ahead and click on Uploads. Once you've clicked on Uploads, you should now see a button that says Upload Files. This is where you'll pull in the logo you have stored on your device. With this button, you can browse through your files, find that special image or logo you've prepared, and select it for upload. It's always a good idea to ensure your logo file is high resolution to maintain quality when it's displayed on your videos. After you've selected and uploaded your logo, you'll see it appear in the Upload section. Now it's time to get hands-on. Simply drag your logo from the Uploads panel directly onto your video project. This intuitive action will place your logo onto the working canvas of your video. Once the logo is in your video, it's likely not at the perfect size, and that's perfectly okay. Canva offers easy resizing tools. Click on the logo itself, and you'll see the edges are marked, allowing you to click and drag to resize. Your goal is to make it neither too overpowering nor too subtle, essentially striking a balance where your brand is visible but not distracting. Remember, the logo should complement your content, not overshadow it. Now that your logo is the right size, the next task is to position it in a location that optimally showcases your brand without interfering with the video's main visuals. You may want it in a corner where it stays unobtrusive, or perhaps somewhere more central if it fits the content's theme. Simply click and drag it to your preferred location. Canva's guides will help align and snap your logo into place, ensuring it's perfectly positioned. There you have it. With your logo uploaded, resized and correctly positioned, your video now carries the visual signature of your brand. This simple yet effective branding technique not only enhances your professional look, but also reinforces brand recognition with your audience. Remember to always preview your video before saving, ensuring everything looks just right. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.